I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast at pretty much everything. The speed of it is awesome. Like, you launch a browser, obviously it depends on your Wi-Fi as well, but the processing speed that I've noticed from this Samsung is super quick, super fast.
I wasn't like hating my S7. Like, my S7 ran fast enough, and probably S7 I'd still recommend it. It's such a cheap phone to get now. It's only $200 on eBay.
Oh my god, that is so cheap.
But the S9 is faster. It does feel slicker. It does feel quicker to use. Probably like half a second here or there.
Still makes a difference.
Not only that, it has the nicest version of Android I've ever used. You swipe down, you get notifications. You swipe up, you get all the apps. You can add in extra stuff like screen recorder in your notifications panel. You got a lot more options there. For example, you can set up Smart View to automatically connect to your TV. I can connect it over to my LG TV. You can double tap to switch apps. You can long press to make it half screen. It's such a delight to use this version of Android. It feels slick, and in the settings you can customize everything. You've got device maintenance over here, and you can play around with the different battery, performance, storage, memory, device security. You can check out power saving modes, switch really easily, decrease the brightness, slow down the CPU to get more battery and performance out there. It's gorgeous. You got the Play Store, you play around in that. And the Play Store, even though there is a lot of trash on there, you do get a lot of apps that you don't get on iOS. It's just this is the best Android OS I've ever used. And this is Android version 8.
Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Navigate to work. Navigate to work. Okay, Google. Google. Hello, my friend. I'm trying to drive here. I'm trying to drive. At least Siri would talk back to me and say, I don't know how to do this. What is this? That's the thing with Google. Sometimes it's not okay. It's not okay, Google. Okay, it's not okay. Okay, Google. Navigate to work. It's just broken. It's broken.
Oh
It's
my
gone.
God, is it broken?
It's gone. It's gone. It doesn't want to do it. Doesn't want to do it. That's it. I think I have to reset the phone or something.
Oh my gosh. How old is this phone?
1 week.
Wow.
Yeah, every now and then, OK Google just decides to not work. It's just a little bit of a random factor. There is a way to fix it. You need to go into the settings, in app, in Google, in storage, in clear, and you have to delete everything. And you have to pretty much reinstall it and reset everything up.
Oh my
And that
God.
seems to fix it. And there's a bug there on there. I've experienced that bug on the S7.
Okay.
It's something that you're just going to have to live with on Android. Android is a buggy platform.
It is.
iPhone, at least Siri, she always works. It's
Hey
just-
Siri.
I don't know anything about you.
Okay, Google.
I have to say, your phone is pretty damn fast.
My friends, microphones.
Today is a special day.
Goodbye, iPhone. You're now officially my ex-iPhone.